Hello, my name is Taylor Grossman and I am in Professor George's morning Fundamentals of Physics class. Today I'm going to show you how to make an electric motor out of a few household items. First, we must ask ourselves, what is an electric motor? The concept is actually quite simple. An electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy through the use of a magnetic field. All electric motors require three things: a shaft, a coil, and a magnet. Just add the hardware and you're set. To make the motor work, introduce a little electric current from a battery and the coil will spin. Now let's take a look at the physics. The electricity flows in from the positive terminal and into the coil. Here the current aligns itself to the magnetic field, then continues through the negative terminal to repeat the process. Now for the materials. For this project, you will need 1 cup, 2 jumbo paper clips, a rubber band, at least 2 disc magnets, a Sharpie, a D-cell battery, and at least 3 feet of low-gauge insulated wire. Let's begin. First, take about 3 feet of the wire and wrap it about 7 times around the battery, leaving a few inches at the end to wrap and hold the coil together. Once this is completed, strip the 2 remaining ends to bare the wire underneath. Your finished product should look something like this. Next, take the 2 jumbo paper clips and straighten out the longer ends. Then curl them. These will support the coil, as well as transfer electricity from the battery to the coil. Now take the cup and wrap the rubber band around the bottom like this. Make sure it's nice and tight. Place 1 magnet inside the cup. Take the others and set them on the bottom. Make sure they attract one another, like this. Next, place the cup upside down on the table. Now mount the paper clips to the cup. Then insert the coil. Make sure the exposed leads always stay in contact with the paper clips. Then make sure it's properly aligned over the magnet. You'll notice that the coil will attempt to align with the magnetic field below. This is normal. Make sure it is properly balanced. The key to a good motor is that everything is properly balanced. You might need to add tape to one side to add more weight. Now comes the fun part. Connect the battery to each one of the paper clips. The coil will now align itself with the magnetic field, but not spin. This is because electricity is going through the coil in one direction constantly. In order to fix this, take the Sharpie and cover one of the exposed leads on the top half only and allow it to dry. What will now happen is the coil will spin, and as it reaches the section that is covered over in Sharpie, the electricity will momentarily stop, allowing the coil to spin freely until it connects again. Now give it a spin and watch it go. Now let's take a look at what we learned. An electric motor can convert electric energy to mechanical energy using only a magnetic field. We have successfully constructed a functional electric motor out of common household materials using this knowledge. See you next time on Physics in Motion. For more fun and exciting science experiments, visit www.scifun.org.